Hello everyone, once again welcome to this channel. My name is Shivakrishnan and I upload videos related to data analytics and its tools such as Excel, Power BI, and I also upload videos related to AI. So in case you're new to my channel, I would like to extend a warm welcome to the new viewers. तो नए viewers को warm welcome इस channel पे and to the existing subscribers, thank you for staying connected with me.
Okay, so in this video we'll be doing some DAX query. Okay, so I'm once again refreshing my understanding about DAX query in Power BI. Okay, well, I also wanted to let you know that that this is going to be this is difficult, right? This is not like your Excel formulas. Um, Power BI itself is Excel on steroids, right? So that's what Power BI actually is. So it's you can say it's like 10x version of Excel. Okay, and there are certain things that can only be done in Power BI and not in Excel. Okay, so today we'll be learning some DAX query. Okay, now here's the data set, right? And we have this order ID, order date, customer segment, region, product category, product name, quantity, unit price, gross sales, discount, net sales, total cost, and profit. Cool. So this seems like um, e-commerce data set, all right? And I have already loaded the data set here. Okay. So this video is going to be very short, not lengthy. All right. So we will find out the total gross sales and total net sales. All right. Cool. So I'll write total gross sales is equals to sum. Okay. Sum of what? Total gross sales, right? This is a very simple DAX query. First, we will, learn the simple DAX query, and then we will progress towards somewhat complex DAX query. Okay, cool. So now I have a total gross sales, and similarly, I'll be doing another DAX query for total net sales. Okay, so the difference, if you were to ask me, right, is in simple words. After doing some kind of adjustment, it's basically sort of net revenue. Okay, so total net sales is equals to sum of net sales. Okay, close bracket, hit enter, and in some time this will be ready. Okay, so this both two these two are ready, and now we'll see this in card. Okay, total gross sales, it will calculate the number. It shows 69,000, right? Let's go to our data set. um, Hold on. Give me one moment. Okay, so let's cross check. Yeah, 69,252. It's basically rounded up to 69,000. Okay, so and also we'll cross check the net sales. It's 68,857. All right, so we'll cross check that as well. So what I will do is I'll do some formatting as well. Okay, general, data format, scroll down, and then decimal number. There's 69,252, right? If I want to, you know, let's see the whole number, and then thousand separator on, um, let's see, right? See, it's 69,252. That's the total gross sales, right? Okay. So this one we are done. We are cool with this, and then we'll click on another DAX query, right, which is for net sales, right? I'll mention this here. See, again, it rounded out to 69,000. So if you want to cross check that, we can do that, right? Let's scroll down all the way to the bottom. Decimal number. See, the exact number we just cross checked. Cool. Okay. So I'll change the color for this. Go to general, click on effects, click on the background color, click on more colors. Which color do we need? We will go with this color, right? Okay. I'll click on white, click on visual, click on card, then the background color, right? Scroll down. This is the color we need to see, right? Okay, cool. And now we'll increase the value size. I mean, it's not that important, but you know, um, okay, something. I don't know what happened. Maybe I have to do Control C. Okay. Let me scroll down all the way to the bottom and then increase the size. Click on value, increase the size. Then also go down, increase the size for label. Okay. And then change the color to black, increase the font size. Okay. Go all the way to the top position and then we have click on. Okay. I think we're cool with this. And then I'll do the same formatting for um, give me a moment here. Let's just increase the size upwards. Give me one moment here. Value. I think we're good with this, right? So I'll apply the same formatting on this one, but this time I will go for a different color. Click on format visual, click on card, and then go down to the bottom and see background color. I'll click on more colors and I'll go with some different color here. Okay. Alright. That's it for today's video. Alright. So I'll meet you in the next video. Okay. So in the meanwhile, do check out the earlier content, and trust me guys, there is a lot to learn. Okay. A lot to do and a lot to learn. Alright. And I'll meet you in the next video. So in the meanwhile, do subscribe to this channel, wherein I can assure you that the kind of content you'll be getting to see on this channel will be very, very difficult to be found elsewhere. Okay. Thank you. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.